How much sauce did I give it? 3 more drops of sauce. What do you gotta do that for?
We can cut and chop and edit this as we need to, but I need footage of us actually working on cars. Bro.
We can put like an impact, like. I don't know. All right. So last night we got this thing in here. Test fitting it. Seems like it's a little crooked sitting in the bay. Seems like there's a small point of contact on the bell housing. Kinda, yeah, you can't really see. It's gonna be hard to see. Down there.
Yeah.
Back on the firewall. So we're gonna go ahead and pull it back out and see what we got. Grind that little nub off of the bell housing and clearance it a little more and put it back in. And see what we got. See if we can get a little bit more play and align it a little bit better. Because after all, we do want this as aligned as straight as possible on the drive line. If we're going to be doing some clutch dumps. So
Definitely.
we're going to do that.
That's good.
So we're cleaning it before we start it. Just to make sure it looks good. It always runs better when it's clean. I think I've noticed with cars.
We did the whole car and yeah, we did the whole swap and we're like 98% sure it'll start.
It's been in or out once or twice.
Yeah.
So.
And the changes this time weren't that crazy. We're just rinsing all the metal off it before we even start washing it because did some fab stuff in there. Want to see if she starts up?
Sure, pop it.
Oh, that's...
Alright, keep it on for the week.
All right. water burning off probably. Sounds and looks good. First try. Yeah. No, seriously.
Little smoke. We got new boots. And then we just washed the car too, so some water probably got down here. Gone now. Headlight? Got a bunch of headlights.
I guess we forgot one thing.
Need a back in here or what? Not mesh, element stuff?
Yeah. Almost time for its first rip. Yeah, sounds good. Alright, so we're gonna check a few things, let it get up to temp, and then we're gonna take it for a cruise. Make sure it's all good. We're gonna do a quick one around the neighborhood, get up to speed, make sure everything feels good, and then we'll come back, grab that other E36, and go drive around on this beautiful, beautiful Washington day. What's up, guys? Got this bad boy running, took it out for a cruise. We're at the state park now. Some pretty cool roads in here. It's too nice of a day and all that Corona stuff. We had to get out of the house, so my paint looks super faded in this. I'm gonna throw the GoPro on my car now.